Boyd welding fuel tanks. This thing's bitchin'. It's got an aeromotive Stealth 340 already loaded in it. It's got a vertical cylinder foot style. There was 4 holes across here that I went ahead and drilled into the flange for the tank to mount to that. And then in the back, there was 2 holes in the frame right here on the outside. There were 7/16 already, so I match drilled them to the flange as well. Marked out 2 more, drilled 2 more through the steel and the flange. Got it bolted down in there, and right now there's a roll of string over here that I'm about to take and show you guys a little trick on measuring stuff, and you can do this with like serpentine belts, V-belts, all kinds of different stuff. Get you some string, fishing string, black string, yellow string, whatever string. So we need that to go down. It's pretty close. Get the other end. And right now, I don't know if you can see that. You can, sort of. So now I'm just holding it against the tank, going around the flanges to see on a rough measurement on how long our fuel tank straps need to be. We're gonna land right around. Let's try that again. Doesn't seem like a bad number, but we're gonna do it again and just double check. And more or less what I'll do afterwards is I'll take this outside bolt and this outside bolt out on the front and the back, and we'll get some fuel tank straps that have studs on them that swivel connecting to the strap, and then we'll just stick those through, put a nut on both sides, and sandwich the strap in between everything, and use that stud as a mounting bolt as well to hold this tank. Because we're pretty confident that 4 bolts across the front and the back bolted straight to the frame would be enough and secure it, but this thing's 23 gallons with gas loaded full down. It's going to be a little heavy, so we want to make sure that any kind of sloshing or bouncing of weight isn't going to blow out a bolt or the flange or something. Just have some extra support underneath of it to hold it up. The one time I need to ship you, don't have it on me. Cool, 35, but let's hold it tight to the edges of the fuel tank. I need to measure now and see what the measurement is, just from bolt to bolt, and see if it changes any. So if you hold it flat around the flange, which your strap's not going to, like your strap's going to, it'll come out and go down and over. It's not going to have that sharp bend in it like that. So I wanted to measure before on both ways. And before it came out like right at 35. Measuring it out with going around the flange tight, but our straps aren't going to actually suck tight up against the tank. But doing it that way, that reads out of about a 32, so it took 3 inches off of it, which will, as we come down out of here, so now you can see that stringer. As it runs around